Today, I'm gonna show you how to vibe code a website with Wix. AKA, I'm gonna build a fully functional website from scratch by simply describing what I want to AI and then watching it generate the whole layout and design, write all the copy, add relevant features, and continue to iterate new versions based on my direct feedback. Pretty vibey, if you ask me. For this tutorial, we will be using Wix Harmony, AKA Wix's AI website builder and my personal platform of choice that lets you flow between instant generation and handcrafted design. And no, you do not need any website building experience and you don't need to know how to code, okay? All you need is a vision and AI will handle the rest. So why is vibe coding superior though? Why is this specific tutorial gonna change the game? Well, we've spent the last decade celebrating how easy website building got, right? Because tools like Wix took the coding barrier completely away and made the visual editing process completely seamless, as you've probably seen in my previous videos. But for anyone who doesn't code, it still wasn't always easy to bridge the gap between the idea in your head and the technical execution on the screen, right? But vibe coding has created a complete paradigm shift. Editing your site via chat means you completely bypass the manual labor altogether. You're not trying to figure out where to place a button or how to resize an image anymore. The software is acting as an actual agent. It's literally like having a human web developer sitting right next to you, translating your raw ideas into a fully functional site in real time. So for obvious reasons, this is huge and something you should absolutely 100% take advantage of. So let's vibe code a website, shall we? Here's what you'll need to get started: a free Wix account, a clear description of your business or project, and about 20 to 30 minutes. That's it. So let's go. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is head over to wix.com and make a free account or log in with your current account if you already have one. I already have one, so we're gonna log in. All right, and then next you're gonna click create new site. Now, what this is gonna do is it'll bring you over to Wix Harmony, which is Wix's AI website builder that generates a complete customized site from just a single prompt. Now, I wanna be completely transparent about pricing here, okay? You can create an account and build your site completely for free, but the published site will have a Wix subdomain and Wix branding on the site. So here's a list of things that you might want and what they would cost, just so that you can know ahead of time before you begin building your site. If you want a custom domain, it requires upgrading to at least the light plan, which is around $17 a month. If you wanna remove the Wix ads and branding, this also requires a paid plan. If you wanna accept payments or sell online, let's say you have an online store, that will require at least the core plan for $29 a month. And then finally, AI credits. So Wix Harmony does run on AI credits, meaning every time you ask Aria to make a change, you're using credits. So once you run out, you can either wait till the next month or you can pay to top up your credits. Now I'm about to show you how I am building this site completely for free, but certain elements that may be added to my site may require a paid plan. So just pay attention to that before you begin, or experiment like I am for fun, and then decide if you want to upgrade to a paid plan to actually publish it afterwards. And now we want to click let's go. Now, as you can see, it is now time for your first prompt. So here you're going to want to describe the type of website you want to build. What's it for? What kinds of things do you want displayed? Are there specific features you know you want, like a booking page or an Instagram feed display? If you know what kind of style or design you want, you can also add those elements. But if not, it's not a problem at all because you can always edit everything later. My recommendation though is to get specific and think big. Even if you're not familiar with Wix's features, you should throw in everything you can think of that you would want. And if you're still not sure what to write and you need some guidance, I will include a template that I've made down below, a little plug and play. That way you can fill in the blanks and have a little bit of guidance as to what to say for your first prompt. So today, I think I wanna make a website to showcase and potentially sell my custom rugs. I hand tuft rugs as a total hobby and they've actually never been for sale, but they're so beautiful and I've always wanted them to have their own website just in case I do decide to sell them in the future. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in my prompt. All right, I kind of just brain dumped everything into a paragraph. I didn't even use my own template, but we're gonna go ahead and push send and see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, I'm getting a nice little response. One thing I was so impressed with was its ability to understand what I wanted when I didn't know how to perfectly describe it. For example, I said that I want soft, trendy fonts and wavy, bubbly textures and patterns. I'm not even sure if that's how to describe them, but I can like visualize them in my head and it totally knows what I mean. Or if it doesn't know what I mean, it asks clarifying questions, which is so nice because then you don't have to do all the micromanaging of making sure that you're saying things exactly correctly. You really can just talk to it like it's an employee sitting next to you. So the response is to ask a few clarifications in order to nail the strategy. So it asked me if I'm planning to take orders or sell pre-made designs or both. Another great question to ask me is whether I plan on making sales directly on the site or whether I use an outside integration or plan to use something like that. And I almost said off the site because I assumed it would be really expensive to set up a store on my site. But instead I decided to literally ask ask, how much would it cost to handle orders through my site directly? And it actually gave me a super clear breakdown of the pricing right there. So I went with selling directly on my site. It continued to ask me more clarifying questions. So then it showed me all the apps that they recommend in order to boost my site's functionality. Love it all. So I'm gonna confirm and click continue. All right, so now it looks like I'm all set and ready to go to my dashboard. So I'm gonna hit go to dashboard. And here you are officially on your dashboard. So here you can set up all the technical elements like the domain and the SEO, but I'm actually gonna skip that for now and just go straight into design site. Okay, so now it's time for Wix Harmony's AI agent Aria to actually design the first iteration of your site. So you can either choose from the template examples below, or you can type in your own custom prompt. And you'll notice Aria has already drafted a prompt based on your conversation that you can review and edit before anything is built. And I like this one, but I think I'm gonna add a few more things. Okay, once you're happy with it, which I now am, you're gonna click on generate site. So now you can see that the process has begun and Aria handles all the coding and design for you. And you guys, it's not just generating generic content, which is so important. Aria is busy selecting a layout and a design and a style specific to your preferences. She's generating all your pages, writing all your copy, which is also tailored to your business, and installing any apps that your site needs. Literally all you have to do is make sure you don't close out of the tab while it's working. And on the right, you'll notice a chat bar that is kind of keeping you updated with the progress as she is building it. This is also where we're gonna chat about any changes that we want once the first iteration is generated. Now, this does take a little while, so you gotta be patient. And she's done. Here is the first iteration of my site. Obviously, all of these sections are customizable and they're both directly editable and editable by chat, which is so nice. So let's talk editing. Okay, so to edit your site, you can either drag and drop to edit basically any element manually and kind of play around with these buttons up here. So for example, I would love to change my kind of heading banner to be this custom image that I made earlier. So I'm gonna go ahead and click replace background, add that, and then move around and change kind of the text based on that image. Most things you can literally just click on and it'll be pretty self-explanatory how to edit them. You can even use these little AI buttons to just make some of the edits for you. You can drag and rearrange anything that you want, or you can chat with Aria and she will make the changes for you. And the nice thing is that you can switch freely back and forth between the two. So let's take a look at this site, okay? Ooh, all right, interesting. Okay, there's things I like, things I don't like. The first thing that I noticed is that I actually love the design style and the colors. I might refine some things later, but for now, this is a great start and I can definitely focus more on the layout and the content. The main thing that's sticking out to me is that this is acting entirely like a store and I actually want it to be more of a portfolio and a blog with like the occasional opportunity to purchase some rugs. Since it's just a fun hobby for me right now, I will not be taking custom orders. So I think I'm gonna type into the chat and tell her this thought, and I can literally just type it as I'm thinking it. I don't need to worry too much about actually telling her what to change, but of course you can also give her very specific feedback and directions. I'm thinking I do want a blog section because I think that could be a really great place to showcase each individual rug and the process even more. So I think I'm gonna suggest getting rid of the browse section and replacing it with blog post previews because we already have that shop section below. So I think that will be perfect. Once I send that message, you'll see that Aria is immediately getting to work to create a new iteration based on your feedback. If any of your changes require new apps or features, you'll see a pop-up asking you to confirm that this is okay. So here it's asking me about the Wix blog and I'm super down. So I'm gonna confirm that. And then once again, it takes a little bit of time, but nothing compared to building your own site. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's take a look now. You'll notice she gives you a comprehensive list of the changes she just made, which is awesome. That way you can kind of keep track of actually what happened. And if she missed anything, you can tell her to do it. I noticed that she said she changed the shopping section, but it doesn't look like it's changed. So I asked about that and she immediately fixed it, which is great. So again, it really is like talking to an employee. Like that was such a quick back and forth and she's like, oops, yep, done. So easy. Another thing that I personally like to do manually is actually add the media and the blog posts and all of that. So in order to do that, I will go up to my business, click on my blog, and then right there, I can just create my blog posts. I can manage the blog. I can do everything from right there manually, or I can ask Aria to help me do this. But remember, because you're using AI credits, I suggest doing whatever you want manually, or if you think you're gonna be changing things around a lot, maybe test those out manually instead of using the AI credits. But the nice thing is you have the complete freedom and flexibility to choose how you wanna do that. Same with portfolio. Right here is where I can actually add all my portfolio pages, and Wix makes it so easy to follow exactly what to do. And again, and you can always ask Aria for help. Now, another element that makes editing so easy is the brand kit feature. This is so incredibly useful because it allows you to change things like fonts and colors across the entire site automatically. So you don't have to edit each section individually, which will save you a ton of time. The brand kit will also come in super handy if your business ever goes through a rebrand in the future. Then you can just jump right on, make all those changes, and they'll be applied to the entire site. So if I click on this brand tab up above, this is where I will find my brand kit. And if I click on change brand kit, that is where I can update the colors, the fonts, and the styles that will affect everything on the whole site. So here's my current kit. Honestly, I'm kind of loving it. I don't actually know if I want to change it. We're just gonna click change kit and click on a different one to demonstrate what happens. All right, look, I clicked on it and immediately everything on my page changed. The colors, the fonts. Okay, I kind of like that actually. I think I do like the other one better, but that's literally how easy it is to change everything at once. We're gonna go back though because I like my original one. If I can even find it. I'm just gonna go ahead and click undo. And there we are, back to my regular brand kit. So once your site looks the way you want it and you're happy with it, it's time for one final step before you set the site live. And that is to preview how your site will look across desktop, tablet, and mobile. So to preview how it's gonna look on desktop, just make sure that this little desktop icon is highlighted and then go ahead and click preview. Now you can basically scroll around the site and just make sure nothing looks funky, make sure things are working properly. And once it looks the way you want it, go back to edit site. Now you cannot forget to preview it on mobile. So go ahead and click this mobile button and then click preview. And once again, do the same thing. Just scroll around, see how it looks. If anything needs editing or looks weird, like this part kind of looks weird. I don't love the way that this looks on mobile. We can go back to edit site and you'll notice that now you can manually edit just the way that it'll look on mobile. All right, that doesn't look the best, but you get the idea. You can drag and drop anything the way that you want. You can jump back and forth between edit and preview. And when you're on preview, that's where you'll actually be able to click on the buttons, make sure everything's linking properly, working properly. And now comes the most exciting part, if I do say so myself. You've had a vision. You've worked with Aria to bring your vision to life. And now it's finally time to publish your masterpiece. So to publish your site, all you're gonna do is hit the publish button in the upper right-hand corner. You'll notice that your site's current domain is listed right here. That's what happens when you have a free plan. You can either connect a domain that you already have or one that you purchased through Wix, and then you're literally just gonna hit publish. Congrats, your site is published. And you'll notice Aria gives you even more suggestions for next steps. So connecting a custom domain, generating a new design for the page, or suggesting a sub page for the site. So now it is live, it is published. Visitors can actually find my site, and there we are. So that, my friends, is how to vibe code a website with Wix. It truly is such a revolutionary way to design a site. I mean, to just submit a text prompt in Wix Harmony and have an entire first iteration of a site designed and built within minutes is incredible. And I personally had a great time chatting with Aria, AKA my new design buddy. And I love that I'm still able to manually edit elements as well. Overall, that whole process took me about 30 to 45 minutes, and I would absolutely do this again. So if you've been wanting to make a website or start a business or project, there is truly no better time than the present, you guys. So click the link down below if you want to try Wix Harmony for yourself, and leave a comment telling me what kind of website you're gonna make, and maybe a link if you actually said it live. I want to see all of your beautiful websites. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and thank you Wix for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.